Yeah. This is a moment you want to add you when you sing. Wow. Sick.
So iconic.
It is 11 p.m. We are about to land in New York. We're both really sleepy. Are you excited for mommy to go to the Met again? Good morning, New York. Day before the Met.
No, I would not like you to sit down.
Yeah, I'm not.
And I would not like you to move this arm.
Okay. Got it. No moving. Cutie.
Hey.
Mama.
I love you.
Now.
Is it heavy?
No. So pretty.
Beautiful. When the cake is on, it's like really.
It's a moment.
I'm
And when she
only, I think I'm
drops
gonna,
downstairs.
I know, I don't know when to drop it.
I think like halfway up the stairs, right?
Only create a moment when suddenly you're half up the stairs, then you drop it.
We're go there tonight and practice. We have so many requests today. It's gonna be fine. Wait, guys, I feel like a
Sex spot?
yeah.
This is iconic. I love the low back. It's
Yeah,
sick.
the
The back is so beautiful
Wow.
with the double stripes.
Everything.
It needs to be taken in more like this.
Everything.
I love the blue corset.
I do
It
too.
needs to be adjusted, but the
beautiful.
white would have taken too much attention. Now
Yeah.
it's all about the
Agreed.
white lines to make it more graphic.
It's giving Carl.
It depends what you would like to provoke. It's all up to you.
It's just so hard to let go of the red one because it's so
You're not
good
let go of
and
it.
it's such
You're
a
wearing it
moment.
later.
I don't know which one to choose, to be honest.
Me neither.
We have time to think.
Okay, we've been test glamming all day. I'm gonna take a little break and see my sisters in my robe and my slippers. I'm on Instagram Live. Say hey to everyone. You can touch the ceiling. Almost. This is crazy. And I'm a tall girl. Is this alcohol?
No, I would not dare.
Are you having
I
a
would
little?
not dare.
Are you having a little alcohol?
No, I'm waiting for you.
We decided on the red dress. I just think it's different than anything that I've ever worn before. I think the red really stands out. I just love how classy it is and it's timeless. Hyder is a genius. I have had so much fun creating these looks with him. I'm honored and excited to wear this dress and also be going to the Met again. We dedicated yesterday to test glam. This is the complete opposite of what we did yesterday. We were gonna do a slick back bun with the dress and it just didn't feel right. So we got a lot of inspiration from the 90s Chanel runway and they had a lot of these like soft, messy updos. We also saw the carpet, exact colors of my dress. We are using a lot of Kylie today. I have this new matte palette coming out, so we use this to get our matte look. My glow bombs are just a necessity and an essential for all of our looks. It just adds like life back into the face. Look how cute she is.
Yeah, that looks hot.
I'm so excited for you to come. Do you want to do a picture with me? We're ready to go, Goose.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go.
Start playing. Alright, let's.
Oh, look. Too cute.
What is it?
Did you post that or someone posted
Yeah, stories.
Ryder, you didn't tell me you had this cute long hair.
Let me see you.
Oh yeah.
Sure. Oh.
I mean, if I drop my coat, I can sit down? No.
No.
Is it high enough for my shoulders? I'll see you soon, okay?
And then you drop this on.
Perfect.
You drop this on.
Confidence within.
Yeah, you look absolutely.
Pretty crazy.
This is kind of gorgeous, no?
No, it's just her.
How beautiful.
We're just assistants.
I know, but still.
Gorgeous girl. It's not just me. It's you. It's you. It's you. It's you. It's everyone.
Hi there. Hi there.
Okay, I think we got it.
Cool. Yeah.